Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is doing good. Today we will be analyzing 7 sugar stocks which could give you 20 to 25% profit in the short term. There are so many sugar stocks listed on NSE and BSE. So how am I going to select those 7 stocks and what would be my criteria? The first criteria would be the market cap, which should be more than 1000 crores. Valuation wise, it should be undervalued. Pricing wise, preferably it should be underpriced, but since momentum is already there, overpriced is also okay as long as they are not in the overbought zone. And fundamentally, there should be profits, revenue and profit should be good, or it should be a company which is trying to turn around by reducing the loss and growing towards the profits. Then I'm going to check at the promoter holdings, how much of shares have they pledged, also the holdings of mutual funds and FIIs. My first pick would be Balrampur Chini. What you're looking at is a weekly time frame. You can also see the good volumes. Mutual funds and FIIs together hold about 29% in Balrampur Chini. If you look at the chart, it looks like there is a cup and handle pattern being formed, and there is a good support at 345 to 350 levels, which is also your 200 days moving average. Current market price is 430, and I'm looking at a target of 495 to 500. So what should be my strategy in this? What you can do is, at the current market price of 430, you could buy 50% of your capital, and if there is a small dip towards say 380 to 400 levels, then you can be fully invested with the allotted capital amount. In case instead of the dip, the price move towards the target, then after the breakout which occurs at 500 levels, buy the remaining 50% of your allotted capital for a long-term target of 700. But in the short term, a target of 495 to 500 looks very good, which would give you approximately 16 to 20% of the returns in Balrampur Chini. My second pick is EID Parry India. So what you are looking at is a weekly time frame chart with good volumes. Mutual funds and FIIs together hold about 19 to 20% of the shares. Previous support was 520 to 535 levels. Cup and handle pattern breakout has occurred at 650 levels, which now becomes the new support levels. So the new support levels are 650 to 665 levels. Current market price is 728, and I am looking at a target of 850 to 875. Now, if you look at the chart, after the breakout which occurred at 650, the stock hasn't retested yet. Generally, when there is a breakout, the stock retests to its breakout levels. So my strategy in EID Parry would be, keep an alert at 650 to 665 levels, and once those levels are retested, be fully invested for a target of 850 to 875 in the short term, giving you 30% profits. Another strategy would be, buy 50% of your capital at current market price, which is 728, and then the remaining 50% of your capital you can buy during the dips, when it dips towards 650 to 700 levels.